animals. Lucy, where's the cow? There's the cow. How about the bunny? There's the bunny. Do you see a chicken? There's the chicken. Now, how about a tractor?
Did you do your crossing out?
Tractor.
A tractor. And is there a pig? Pigs. I see a dog. Do you see a dog? That's a turkey.
Let's go sit down.
Dog. How about a goose? There's your goose. Very good. And your little turtle.
Good.
How about the ducks? Where are the ducks?
No, I mean,
Look.
There's the ducks. Very good. Do you see a horse?
Horse.
Where's the horse? Horse. Very good.
Kitty.
Where's the kitty?
Lucy, what does the kitty say? What does the kitty say?
Look.
No. Kitty says, do it.
Meow.
Meow. And what does the cow say?
Moo.
Moo. And the tractor? What does the tractor say?
What does the tractor say?
Boom.
Very
Eat.
good.
And what do geese eat?
Okay. Eat that.
They eat grass. They do.